Alright. Just hit my elbow on the creeper. Alright, what I did was I went over to AutoZone, and this actually does say seal driver and bearing, you know, race installer. I got a cat here rubbing all over the tripod. Come on, Luna, get lost. Alright, so found the right size. Fits this inside race just like it's supposed to. So AutoZone, rinse those. Now it still doesn't stick out as far as I'd like it to, but it's better than nothing. See? Perfect. Exactly how I expected it to go in there. Wait a minute, I grabbed the wrong one. Aha! I think I grabbed the wrong race, guys. What else is new? I'll be back in a second. I got the right one now. Just hope that yeah, the bigger one works. It actually bolts on there, so you got to take the bolt out. Well, you can see it or not, but probably need that for the front one. Okay, we're getting somewhere now and not going in reverse. Let's try that. Oh yeah, wish the wind would blow. I've beaten this thing crooked. Let me get a different hammer. I'm not sure it's any better. Nope. I'm still really crooked. So I still have my beating device from yesterday. I gotta get this bottom in. Don't hit any more than you have to, of course. Now, these things are pretty tough, so you shouldn't damage it by doing this. Look at that mark, it's inside that brace. Don't be surprised if it's so crooked. You basically got to take it out and start from scratch again too. I've had to do that. I'm not sure that's any better. I have trouble doing this, Lena. You guys are way in the way. I'm still so crooked. I like doing this out of lift. Nope, I'm not getting anywhere. I'm gonna have to beat it back out, try to start from scratch. Now it's already not hitting on the top. I think that's a little better. It's at least square now. Take that thing with you.
Yeah, do it, Bobby. Hi, Pete. What are you doing?
Yeah, get him started while I'm making a video.
Sorry.
The biggest problem with this is it isn't long enough to get my hammer in there just right. And it keeps coming loose, which isn't helping anything either. Well, you guys get the idea. I am not having much luck here. I can't get a swing on it. Everything's in my way. So let me keep working on it. I'll eventually get it. That only took me about 2-3 more minutes after I shut you off, and I reached in there with a bigger hammer and those extensions and got it squared up, and then it went in. So obviously keeping it square is, you know, one of the biggest hurdles, I guess you want to say. All right, I still got the other race to put on. So let's take this apart, get a different tool. And here comes the cat back. Remember, don't put these races in backwards. Kind of like putting the bearings on backwards. It's no fun having to do all this stuff 2 or 3 times. Alright, I got the right stuff. I just got to move things out of the way. And make with my right hand, so move this over this way. I get stuff out of my way to get around here. Probably can't see anything. Make sure you get it clean. Make sure you don't put it in backwards. Already feels crooked. And it is. Don't ask me why. Ah, it's crooked. Of course. It's great when it starts that way, right? Actually, the seal driver is worse than using an extension. I'm not playing with you. Oh, I wish I had this thing higher. I cannot get where I can get to it. Get a good swing on this side. Get on the other side. It's still off a little. You're probably not seeing what I'm doing. There, here. Having better luck with the extension. Whew. Out of shape, arm get tired. Alright, anxious in. Wasn't going to show you that because I knew I'd be fighting it, but alright, so both races are in. I know you're only going to be able to see this one. You can kind of see the back of the other one in there. So, mind you, they have to be opposite each other, because that's how, it came, you know, not only is that how it came apart, but that's how you put all this stuff together. The pinion goes in from this side and goes to that bearing we just put on, and when your outside one comes on, you know, it goes in the other direction. So they're basically both the tapered part of the roller, you know, the cages or whatever you want to call them, are facing each other. So that means your races are the opposite of each other. So anyway, I know it's kind of different. You'll know if you mess up. It won't take very long. So all right, now when I bring you back, we'll be doing some more installation. Be putting the pinion in.